In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background of your videos using CapCut. Whether you're aiming to create a professional look, highlight your subject, or simply add some depth to your video, this technique is perfect for making your content stand out. CapCut is an intuitive and powerful video editing app that makes this process simple and fun, even if you're new to video editing. If you don't already have CapCut installed, you can download it for free. And if you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive right in and transform your videos with a beautiful blurred background. First, open the CapCut app and start a new project. Once you're in, import the video you want to edit. This is the clip where you'll be applying the background blur effect. Once your video is ready, add it to the main timeline. This is the workspace where all the magic happens. Next, duplicate your video clip. This step is crucial because it creates a second layer of your video. By doing this, you'll be able to apply separate effects to the background and the subject, giving you complete control over the final look. Once you've duplicated the clip, drag the duplicated version to the overlay track, which is located above your original video. This setup allows you to isolate the subject from the background effectively. Now let's move into the background removal phase. Select the top layer, that's the duplicated clip in the overlay track. Once selected, click on the Remove BG or Background Removal tool. This tool is what makes CapCut so powerful. It automatically detects and isolates the subject from the background, saving you hours of manual editing. Keep in mind that it might take a few seconds to process, especially if your video has a lot of movement or complex scenes. If you notice that parts of the background are still visible or the edges of your subject look unclear, don't worry. CapCut has adjustment sliders that let you refine the mask. Use these sliders to clean up any imperfections and ensure a sharp separation between your subject and the background. Next up, we're going to add the blur effect to the background. Select the bottom layer, which is the original video. Then, navigate to the Effects section in CapCut. Once there, go to the Video Effects category and open the Lens tab. Here, you'll find several blur styles to choose from. For example, you might like the Galaxy blur, but feel free to experiment with other styles to find the one that best suits your video. Drag and drop your chosen blur effect onto the bottom layer of your timeline. This step softens the background while keeping your subject crisp and in focus. After applying the blur, adjust the intensity to get the perfect look. CapCut allows you to fine-tune the blur effect using a slider. Use this to strike the right balance between a subtle blur and a more dramatic cinematic effect. Once you're happy with the intensity, extend the blur effect across the entire length of your video clip. This ensures a consistent look throughout your video, so there are no abrupt changes or gaps in the effect. Finally, review your video to ensure everything looks just right. Play it back and check that your subject is clear and the background blur is smooth and visually pleasing. If anything feels off, don't hesitate to tweak the blur intensity or revisit the background removal step to make further adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background of your video in CapCut while keeping your subject as the focal point. This method is perfect for adding depth and polish to your content, whether it's for social media, professional projects, or personal use. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.